Hi everybody, we are in here in Efrata Waterfall. Oh, look at this, how amazing and so beautiful. We're gonna go here to the water. How cold is the water over here? Oh no, that is really cold. It's so amazing. Woo. All right, come here. Sini kita aja, mari. It is so amazing. I don't know how deep, but definitely, guys, this place is so amazing. It's beautiful and very cold. The water is so fresh, but it does look like the water is a little bit black. The water a little bit black. But if you end up coming to Samosir, it's definitely one of the best places to enjoy with the waterfall, as you can see. Yep, as you can see, it's so beautiful. Hah? Dingin kali, enak, bagus kan? Sini kita foto, ayo. Satu, dua, tiga. Cheese. Ah, nice, and beautiful. All right, we're gonna go up here. Alright. Awas dalam itu. Awas ada itu. Ini tajam. Gini aja lah, turun aja kau. Excel, Excel. Itu ada yang tajam-tajam ini, kena kaki nih, tajam nih, tajam. Itu tajam, turun aja, turun aja. Turun aja, sini aja deh. Sini sini. Heh. Sini 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 sini. Ada sana aja kau ya. Udah sana aja. Ada besi-besi di sini, besi-besi. Kena besi kau. Kena besi enggak? Alright, I'm gonna try to go to this side because it looks like it's nice view from here. Alright, here we go. Oh, we go. What a beautiful place to be. Here we are. I get here, and that's an amazing place to be. It's beautiful and amazing. And it is a lot of people over here. Look at that, the nun. The nun is over there. But it's beautiful. Woo! Sini foto sama tulang. Foto sama tulang. Cari emas, oke. Ayo sini Sal, foto sama tulang dulu. Sal, nantilah cari emasmu. Oke. Oke, 3, 2, 1. Great one, dah. Mantap. Ayo sini dulu. Foto kita sama tulang, bertiga. Dek, ayo bertiga kita. Ayo, foto dulu. Sini dulu. Jeremy, foto sama tulang. Oke. Sini. 3, sini dulu, sini. Oke, 3, 2, 1, foto sama tulang. Cheese. Yeay, wah satu lagi. Satu lagi. Cheese. Ya, mantap. Udah mana kalian? Alright, I'm just gonna go to the top. To the top. Kalian di situ kalian ya, jangan kemana-mana ya. We're gonna go to the top. How do we get up here? Alright, we're gonna go up here. Here we go. And also it's really nice, beautiful over here. Look at that. Hello, excuse me. Alright, go up here. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. What do you think, everybody? Even though you're not in here, but you get to see what this beautiful place over here. And yeah, if you end up coming to this place, this is what it looks like. Just amazing and beautiful, as you can see. As you can see, guys, it's just beautiful. It's not only local coming here. I saw a tourist earlier, but it's just an amazing place to be. I'm just gonna get a photos in here with this sign over here and see how it goes. See if I can get a good photos. Here we go. It says photos, video, 3,000 for one video. So I don't know if you want that, but it says there, contribute. But definitely, guys, this place is amazing. And I cannot imagine if the water is very strong coming from the above. But I would say it's amazing. All right, we're gonna go down there. I'm gonna show you the view going down. And after that, we're gonna end and enjoy this place. I'm gonna go down here. And yeah, it looks like you can just go up there and enjoy your holiday. Here we go. It's quite busy though. It's quite busy. I'm just using a shortcut. Ooh. Oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Nice. It's beautiful. Gak bawa ganti mereka? Hah? Ya satu setel berarti